This is question number 5 of exercise 8.2 of class 8 NCERT. In this question, it is given that a VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. So in this question, we have to find the profit or loss of VCR and TV separately. So first of all, we will find the profit or loss of VCR. So the CPU of VCR is given 8,000 because it is written that each. So that means that VCR and TV both the CPU of both the things are 8,000. So CPU of VCR is 8,000. Then it is given that the shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR. That means that on the VCR he made a loss of 4%. So loss percent is 4%. And then we have to then find the SP, because profit percent is also given and CP is also given. So these are the things that are used in the formula of SP. So we will find SP. So the formula of SP is CP multiplied by 100 minus loss percent or plus profit percent by 100. So here I am writing the formula for loss percent. So I will put the value there. CP is 8,000, so I will write 8,000 in the place of CP. Then in the bracket 100 minus 4, that is the loss percent, divided by 100. Now I will solve it. So 8,000 multiplied by, first of all I will solve the bracket, that is 100 minus 4, that is 96. So it will become 8,000 multiplied by 96 divided by 100. So now I will further solve it. So I am writing 8,000 multiplied by 96 upon 100. So zeros of 100 will be cut by the zeros of 8,000. So 96 multiplied by 80 is rupees 7680. So it's the SP of VCR that we had got from this solution. Now we will solve for TV. Now the CP of TV is 8,000. So CP is equal to 8,000. Now it's given that he made a profit of 8% on the TV. So profit is 8%. Profit percent is 8. Now we will again find the SP for TV. So I will now write the formula of SP for profit percent, because previously we had wrote the formula for loss percent. Now I am writing the formula for profit percent, that is CP multiplied by 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Now I will put the values. So the value of CP is 8,000 multiplied by 100 plus profit percent, which is 8%. So I will write 8 there and divided by 100. So I will further solve it. 8,000 multiplied by, first of all I will solve the bracket, that is 108. So divided by 100. So after solving we get 8640 as the SP of TV. So now we have got the SP of VCR as well as SP of TV. So now I'm writing the SP of VCR that we had got earlier, that is 7680, and now I'm writing the SP of TV, that is 8640. So now we have to write total SP here, because we had to find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. So we will write total CP. So total CP is 8000 plus 8000, because the CP of both the things is 8000. So it will be 16,000. Then the total SP will be 7680 plus 8640. That is the SP that we had got earlier. So after adding them, we get 16320. So as we got the SP more than the CP, so we know that if the SP is greater than the CP, then there is profit, and if the CP is greater than SP, then it's loss. So profit or gain is SP minus CP. So the SP is 16320 minus 16,000. We have to write total CP and total SP here, because we have to find whole. So now we get the value as 320, profit as 320. Now we have to find loss or gain percent on the whole transaction. So profit percent is equal to, the formula for finding profit percent is profit upon CP into 100. So I'm writing the formula here. So profit is 320, so I'm writing the value of profit in the place of profit. Then 320 upon CP, so we have to write total CP here, 16,000 into 100. So after solving all this, we get 2. So 2% is the gain percent in the whole transaction. Thank you.